Hello friends, and welcome to this lecture in Flet, where we will be seeing how to pick a file or how to attach a file in your application. So begin with, we've already started with the code, we have already created a file here and we have imported the Flet package here. Now inside this I need to create a function which will be giving me pick file results. So I create a function that will be pick files, and then that file will have an event. The function will have the event and it will have ft file picker result event. So it will be ft dot file picker result event, this one. Okay, now we can the function, and inside this function I have selected files dot values. Now its name, the file name would be there, or any file, any type of a file we want, right? So we just begin with comma, space, and then the dot join, and then we have a lambda function where we are using the map function. So map to what? To a lambda, which will have like f such that, now lambda function is read like this, f such that f dot name. Now f is the file, so f dot name, and then comma e dot selected or e dot files from the files. Okay, now we just finish the lambda function. When dot files else cancel. When e dot files means if any file is selected, else cancelled. If no file is selected, then it will be cancelled. So let's just finish this statement here, cancel, just exclamation. Okay, so that function, that lambda function is done. Now we need to update the selected files. So selected files dot updated, that's selected files dot update. Now if you have selected any files, you need to update that, right? Inside, it should be shown inside your application. Now we start with pick files, or else pick files underscore dialog is equals to ft.file picker is equals to ft dot file picker. We have file picker, not a file picker dialog, we just need file picker. Yeah, this one, file picker, and then we close that. So now when it will be on result is equals to, now when it will be called, when that function is on result, we have pick files when this function is called. Now we have selected files is equals to ft dot text, because that file will have some or the other name, so we have to display that as well, right? And now we have page dot overlay dot append. So that inside that page, this file will be overlaid, this file will be displayed continuously. Append, it will be appended, and then we have pick files type. Once this is done, we add everything on the page. So page dot add. What do we need to add now? We need to add, now you must be familiar, or you must have a basic knowledge of Flutter and DAM for getting this done. So we have ft.go, because now we are just working with some sort of container from the Dart and Flutter packages. Now we have the inside this row alignment row, we have the button. So we have ft dot elevated button, and then button will it'll have like pick files, right? So this will have something like pick files, right? Pick files, comma. You have icon. It'll have a sort of an icon. Icon is equals to, now ft has its own icons, right? So ft dot icons. So if you just press on the icons, not the plus icon, we need the upload icon, right? So we have upload file. If you can see here, all the upload file, yeah, that one, upload file. So that will be already present. We just have to fetch it when you have on click. So when it is clicked, we again call that lambda which we had earlier. So we have lambda lambda and then underscore complete this. What we do is pick file dialog dot pick files. Pick file, the function is called, and now it will allow us to select multiple files as well. So we just have this allow multiple is equals to true. Set this as true. Okay, now this is done. After that, we just end this and then this and enter. We have after this is selected files, comma. So this was to end, like this bracket was to end this, and then this bracket ended this, and inside this list stay is the selected files. So after this button, we have also the selected files. After that, this is closed, and this is closed. Right, so we have selected files here, so that is why this is giving me a warning S. Yeah, now all the warnings are gone. So I guess everything is in place, and then we can run this. As soon as you run the application starts with a pick file, so whatever you had, and that icon which you had inside you had used for the uploading file. So when you click on this, you have your folders open. You can select any of the folder or any of the files, like multiple files as well, and then just open them, and those files will be displayed here. Or it gives you a warning that yeah, you cannot select these, like all these values, right? So you can just select any one file for now, and then just for time being, okay, there is some error here that I need to check. Let's just Control A, Control B, close this and rerun the application now. If we can select multiple files, then that is good. Now just open them. No, we cannot select multiple files here. The value is wrong, so we can just select the one file here. Let's see if that file gets displayed or not. So we have is Control A, Control B. Save it, and we done this. We done this. We have, or we can select multiple files basically. Yes, we can select now. So all these three files are selected. Those files won't be displayed for time being. That was just how to pick files or uploading files from your application. So that was it now. And in the next lectures, we'll see how to have or how to upload files, how to save a file, uploading multiple files using the different types of files like a PDF file or a PNG file, etc. So stay tuned and thank you.